The search for life beyond Earth has captivated the imaginations of scientists and the general public for centuries. With the vastness of space and the countless stars and planets that exist within it, it seems almost inevitable that there must be other forms of life out there. For many years, astronomers and astrophysicists have been using advanced telescopes and space probes to explore the cosmos and uncover the secrets of the universe. One of the most significant developments in the search for extraterrestrial life has been the launch of the Kepler telescope in 2009. This space observatory was designed specifically to detect planets outside of our solar system, or exoplanets, by using the transit method. This involves detecting the dimming of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it, allowing astronomers to estimate the size and orbit of the planet. Since its launch, the Kepler telescope has made a series of groundbreaking discoveries, including the detection of thousands of exoplanets in the Milky Way galaxy. But perhaps the most significant contribution to science has been the discovery of planets that are potentially habitable, meaning they are located in the habitable zone of their stars, where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. In 2015, the Kepler telescope made headlines when it discovered two new planets, Kepler 438b and Kepler 452b, that were located in the habitable zone of their star and were believed to have the potential to support life. These planets are often referred to as super-Earths, as they are slightly larger than Earth and may have a similar composition. The discovery of these potentially habitable planets has raised new questions and possibilities about the existence of life beyond our solar system. In this video, we will explore the discovery of these planets by the Kepler telescope, what makes them potentially habitable, and what implications this discovery could have for the search for extraterrestrial life. Space, the final frontier, the place where we have always been curious to explore. Throughout human history, we have looked up at the stars and wondered what other planets are out there. And today, we've discovered something truly exciting. Yes, you heard it right. Kepler telescope has discovered new planets, and some of them are even better than Earth. The Kepler telescope was launched in 2009 with a mission to find planets outside our solar system. The telescope works by detecting small dips in the light of a star when a planet passes in front of it. This method is called the transit method, and it helps us to determine the size and distance of the planet from the star. The Kepler telescope has discovered thousands of planets so far, and many of them are Earth-like in size and composition. But the recent discovery has left scientists thrilled. The new planet we discovered is called Kepler 438b. It is a rocky planet just slightly larger than Earth, and it's in the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone is the region around a star where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Water is a key ingredient for life, and finding a planet with liquid water is a huge step forward in our search for extraterrestrial life. But what makes Kepler 438b even more exciting is its distance from Earth. Kepler 438b is located 640 light-years away from Earth. It may sound far, but in the grand scheme of things, it's actually quite close. With modern technology, we may be able to send a spacecraft to Kepler 438b to explore it further. But Kepler 438b is not the only exciting discovery. The Kepler telescope has found many other planets that are potentially habitable. Kepler 452b is another planet discovered. It's located about 1,400 light-years away from Earth, and it's a bit larger than Earth, but it's in the habitable zone of its star, and it's a good candidate for supporting life. With these new discoveries, scientists are more confident than ever that there may be other habitable planets out there. The universe is vast, and we have only scratched the surface of what's out there. But with the Kepler telescope, we are getting closer to finding other worlds like our own. So what does this mean for us? It means that we're not alone in the universe. There may be other planets out there with life, just like Earth, and this discovery brings us one. We are still a long way from confirming the existence of life on these newly discovered planets, but we are excited by the possibilities. The search for life outside our solar system has been a driving force in space exploration, and the discovery of these potentially habitable planets is a big step forward. But what if we do find life out there? what will it mean for us? The discovery of life on other planets would be one of the most significant scientific discoveries in human history. It would fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and our place in it. But it could also raise questions and concerns about our relationship with extraterrestrial life. We would need to consider the ethical implications of contacting or interfering with alien life. It would require a careful approach and a global conversation about how we should proceed. But for now, we can celebrate the discovery of these new planets and continue to explore the universe around us. The universe is full of mysteries and wonders, and we have only just begun to explore it. Who knows what other discoveries are waiting for us out there? One thing is for sure, the search for life beyond Earth will continue, and we will keep looking up at the stars, wondering what lies beyond. We can think of Kepler 452b as an older, bigger cousin to Earth, providing an opportunity to understand and reflect upon Earth's evolving environment, said John Jenkins, Kepler data analysis lead at NASA's Ames Research Center in Moffett Field, California, who led the team that discovered Kepler 452b. It's awe-inspiring to consider that this planet has spent 6 billion years in the habitable zone of its star, longer than Earth. That's substantial opportunity for life to arise, should all the necessary ingredients and conditions for life exist on this planet. To help confirm the finding and better determine the properties of the Kepler 452 system, the team conducted ground-based observations at the University of Texas at Austin's McDonald Observatory, the Fred Lawrence Whipple Observatory on Mount Hopkins, Arizona, and the W.M. Keck Observatory atop Mauna Kea in Hawaii. These measurements were key for the researchers to confirm the planetary nature of Kepler 452b, to refine the size and brightness of its host star, and to better pin down the size of the planet and its orbit. The Kepler 452 system is located 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. The research paper reporting this finding has been accepted for publication in the Astronomical Journal. In addition to confirming Kepler 452b, the Kepler team has increased the number of new exoplanet candidates by 521 from their analysis of observations conducted from May 2009 to May 2013, raising the number of planet candidates detected by the Kepler mission to 4,696. Candidates require follow-up observations and analysis to verify they are actual planets. 12 of the new planet candidates have diameters between 1 to 2 times that of Earth and orbit in their star's habitable zone. Of these, 9 orbit stars that are similar to our Sun in size and temperature. We've been able to fully automate our process of identifying planet candidates, which means we can finally assess every transit signal in the entire Kepler dataset quickly and uniformly, said Jeff Coughlin, Kepler scientist at the SETI Institute in Mountain View, California, who led the analysis of a new candidate catalog. This gives astronomers a statistically sound population of planet candidates to accurately determine the number of small, possibly rocky planets like Earth in our Milky Way galaxy. These findings, presented in the 7th Kepler Candidate Catalog, will be submitted for publication in the Astrophysical Journal. These findings are derived from data publicly available on the NASA Exoplanet Archive. Scientists now are producing the last catalog based on the original Kepler's mission's 4-year dataset. The final analysis will be conducted using sophisticated software that is increasingly sensitive to the tiny telltale signatures of Earth-sized planets. Ames manages the Kepler and K2 missions for NASA's Science Mission Directorate. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, managed Kepler mission development. Ball Aerospace and Technologies Corporation operates the flight system with support from the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics at the University of Colorado in Boulder. In conclusion, the discovery of potentially habitable planets by the Kepler telescope is a groundbreaking achievement in the search for life beyond Earth. The discovery of Kepler 438b and Kepler 452b, both located in the habitable zones of their stars, gives us hope that we may not be alone in the universe. However, we must approach the possibility of finding extraterrestrial life with caution and care, as it raises important ethical questions and concerns. But for now, let us celebrate this incredible discovery and continue to explore the vast universe around us. who knows what other wonders and mysteries are waiting to be discovered? The journey to find out is just beginning.